Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this nice Smith Corona electric, and let's see what model this is. Well, it's an electric, but it's got a serial number here that gives a little clue here. 5LE. There we go. So this is a 12-inch carriage on this model, this particular machine. So Electra 12, yeah, there we go. Right up here. 12-inch, and it's got a Elite type style, or 12-pitch type style. And reconditioned. I had to pay top dollar for it because these are in such high demand, but it's like a new. There is no getting around how nice this machine is. Everything has been reworked, taken apart and reworked. It is a beauty. And type's great, of course. These are good machines, but they need some service after, 60 years or something. You need a little help every once in a while. Boy, this is a fast machine, just like the blue one that I highlighted the other day. They just move so fast. So I just wanted to highlight this. It's a beauty inside. Got the original metal spools, of course. We don't mess around here. Go all the way, make everything perfect. Came out just perfect. It's looking fantastic. Got a little safety switch right here. Turns the machine on and off when the lid's closed. It's a nice machine. Just a quick little highlight of this electric Smith Corona. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.